Jai Swami Narayan. Let's read the 43rd passage from the second Gadhadā. It's titled Brahma Svarūpa Love. Difficult word, in my opinion, to translate into English. The ending Roop refers to form. Brahma refers to the divine, the ultimate. The Swa prefix, it exemplifies the essence of whatever it attaches to. So Swarup would be the essence of the form. Brahma Svarūpa would be having form of the essence of the divine, a very exalted adjective. Anyway, let's understand it more based on context, shall we? Diving right into it. On Posh Sudhi the 4th, Samvat 1880, or the 5th of January 1824, Swami Sri Sahajanandaji Maharaj was seated on a cushion with a cylindrical pillow at the residence of Ayodhya. This is a new residence for me. 1 second. Ayodhya Vasis in Dada Khachar Darbar in Gadhadā. He was dressed entirely in white clothes. At that time, Premanand Swami was singing devotional songs to the accompaniment of a sarod, while munis as well as devotees from various places had gathered before him in an assembly. Thereupon, Sriji Maharaj said, "Let us conduct a question-answer session." So saying, Sriji Maharaj himself asked, "A devotee of God who is gunatit, beyond the material qualities, behaves only as the Atma, the true self, above the influences of the three gunas, material qualities, i.e., above sattva gun in the form of vairagya, worldly dispassion, above rajogun in the form of desires for vishais, experiences of the senses, and above tamogun in the form of passiveness. They harbor absolutely no thoughts and experience a deep sleep-like state. Now, does such a nirgun devotee who behaves as the Atma in this manner have love for God or not? That is the question." Muktanand Swami replied, "One who behaves as the Atma does have love for God." Hearing the reply, Sriji Maharaj asked, "Is the love of such a devotee who behaves as the Atma of the same qualities of the Atma, or different?" Muktanand Swami replied, "That love is of the same qualities as the Atma." Sriji Maharaj then explained, regarding the love developed for God while behaving as the Atma, Madhvacharya, Nimbark, and Vallabhacharya have all described that love as Brahma Svarūpa. Therefore, only one who has love for God, having become gunatit, is Brahma Svarūpa. Such is the principle of the great Acharyas. Our passage today. Thank you for listening. This was the 176th discourse from Sriji Maharaj in the Vachanāmrut. Jai Swami Narayan.